As you know that I am going to draw the light as the Kira and L in the same way. First I do it with the grid method, then I will do as you know the anime, the eyes are important, and I will make sure that, and as you see this drawing is also mine and it done with the help of the grid. And now I am doing the freehand, as it is, you can say, the study of my own drawing, and see how I make it. And as you can see I made the light, and now I will make the Kira, sorry, the real L, and as we all know that L has something very unique and we rarely see him in standing position, and he is always crouching to something, and as he is portrayed as little bit slouch, or and he is not, and so it's reflect on the eyes also. So that how he has been portrayed. And is as he is slouching, so it's reflect on his whole body. See the slouching things, and